Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's tutorial will guide you on how to freeze a row in Excel. To begin, open up your MS Excel in your PC. In the Views tab, locate and click on Freeze Panes. Now, you select the Views tab, then you click on Freeze Panes. Then, you click on Freeze Top Rows, and it will freeze the top rows as you can see on the screen. For example, if you want to freeze the first third rows, let's unfreeze this. If you want to freeze the first third rows, you select the fourth row. This is the fourth row. You select them. Then you click on the freeze panes again, and you click on the first option here to freeze panes. You keep rows and columns visible while the rest of the worksheet scrolls. While the others worksheet are scrolling, the freezed one will remain visible. So you click on freeze panes and rows are being freezed. So that's all for the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video tips. Bye guys, see you in the next video.